Hey y'all, and welcome back to Family Traveling Adventures. This is Jealous, and I have some bonus footage of our suite that we stayed in on board the Carnival Sunshine. If you have not already, make sure you check out our His and Her tour where we toured our room. And this is just a little bit more detail of the sleeping arrangements and how the bedding works in this particular suite. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video. Oh, and if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe. We would love to have you a part of our traveling community.
So if you're wondering if you're in a suite and you have 4 people and your bed will be in a king and then you have the sofa bed, this is one of the things that I didn't see when I was looking to see how the room would be configured. So the sofa turns into this, and then they bring this little cot thing, the metal cot, out, and they put a mattress over it. So, and they don't bring it up every night. So your space will be limited to walk around. There's a table right there that's usually right here when you first come in. But again, once they put it out for the first night, they don't like take it up every night. So during the day, if you're not sleeping, your space is limited.